Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 12 Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Dear students, today we are going to start part 9 of chapter 3 Advanced JavaScript Standard 12 Science. In our last part, we have seen the JavaScript built-in object such as string object, properties and methods of string object, math object, methods of math object, number object, properties of number object and methods of number object, date object, methods of date object. In this part, we will discuss about the most important object in JavaScript, array object. An array is an object that can store a collection of items. JavaScript arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. Arrays become really useful when you need to store large amount of data of the same type. You can create an array in JavaScript as given below. For example, where fruits equal to bracket, mention the elements in double quotes. For example, mango, apple, orange, grapes. So here there are 4 elements of fruits array. Or you can define variable var fruits equal to new array, open parenthesis, mention the elements in double quote. For example, mango, apple, orange and grapes. So these are the 2 methods you can create an array in JavaScript. You can access and set the items in an array by referring to its index number, and the index of the first element of an array is 0. Array name, mention the position 0 by using bracket, is the first element. Array 1 is the second element and so on. So it will start from the 0 index number. So first element is 0, second is 1, likewise. You can also use the .getElement by id method of document object and .inner HTML property to display the array elements. So student, normally we count our number of elements from 1, but in array it will start from 0 index number, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Let's see the properties and methods of array object. First is index property. Index property represents the 0 based index of the match in the string. Next is length. Length property reflect number of elements in array. Now methods. First method is concat. Concat method joins 2 or more arrays and returns a copy of the joined array. Next method is copy within, where W is capital. It copies array elements within the array to and from specified positions. Next method is find. It returns the value of the first element in an array that specifies a test in testing. Next method is for each, where E is capital. It calls a function for each array element. Next method is index of, where O is capital. It searches the array for an element and returns its position. Next method is isArray, where A is capital. It checks whether an object is an array or not. Next method is pop, P-O-P. It removes the last element of an array and returns that element. Next method is push method. Push method adds new elements to the end of an array and returns the new length. Next method is reverse method. Reverse method reverse the order of the elements in an array. And last method is sort method. Sort method sorts the elements of an array. So these are the important methods of array object. Let's see these methods of array object one by one by using the program. Define HTML tag, head tag. In head tag use title tag, title. Use of array method, close title, close head. Open the body tag, style equal to color blue, background dash color pink, font size 30 pixels. In next line define script tag, script type equal to text oblique JavaScript. Use var variable ct. Here ct is an array having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 elements. First is Pune, second is Kolhapur, third is Mumbai, fourth is Nashik, fifth is Latur and sixth is Nagpur. So by using var ct equal to bracket, mention the elements in double quote, you can create the array ct. So here ct is a array having 6 elements. So just display these elements of ct array, right? Document.write original array elements are, use br tag. In next line write document.write ct. Up to this, just save the program, run on the browser and you will get the output. The output shows original array elements are Pune, Konkan, Mumbai, Nashik, Latur, Nagpur. These are the 6 elements of ct object, means ct array object. Now we want to copy the element of ct object in ct object. So in next line write document.write copy elements at end to the beginning. In next line write document.write ct.copy within 0, 3. So here arguments are 0 and 3. What is the meaning of copy within function? It copies array elements within the array to and from specified position. So here from 2 is 0 and from is 3. So it copies the elements from 0 position 0, 1, 2 from the third position element 3rd, 4th and 6th. Just save the program, run on the browser and see the output. Here it replaces first 3 elements Pune, Kolhapur and Mumbai from the third position's element Nashik, Latur and Nagpur. So you will get the output copy elements at end to the beginning and elements are Nashik, Latur, Nagpur, Nashik, Latur, Nagpur. So here it replaces the 3 elements from 0 position from the third position's element Nashik, Latur and Nagpur. In next line write document.write copy elements at the beginning to the end. Mention document.write ct.copy within 3, 0. Here the starting position is 3 and it will paste the elements from the 0th position. Save the program, run on the browser and see the output. Here first 3 elements are as it is Pune, Kolhapur and Mumbai, but it replaces the third position element Nashik to Pune, Latur to Kolhapur and Nagpur to Mumbai. So it will replaces the third positions and 4th position and 5 positions element Nashik, Latur, Nagpur to Pune, Kolhapur, Mumbai. So final array elements are Pune, Kolhapur, Mumbai, Pune, Kolhapur, Mumbai. So this is an example of copy elements at the beginning to the end. Now if you want copy first three elements to middle, right? Document.write, use BR tag, copy first three elements to middle. In next line, document.write ct.copy within 2, 0, 3. There are three elements you have to pass, 2, 0, 3. So here first two elements keep as it is, then copy first three elements starting from 0, Pune, Kolhapur, Mumbai, and paste to the third element, Mumbai, Nashik, Latur, and Nagpur remains as it is. Save the program, run on the browser and see the output. Here first two elements, Pune and Kolhapur, is as it is, but the third element, Mumbai, is replaced by 0th element Pune, Nashik is replaced by Kolhapur, and Latur is replaced by Mumbai, and Nagpur, the last element, remains as it is. So the final output is Pune, Kolhapur, Mumbai, and Nagpur. So this is an example of copy first three elements to the middle. Now here we use push method and applied on CT array. So write document.write ct.push Konkan. What is the role of push function, push method? It adds new element to the end of an array and returns the new length. So in push method, Konkan is a argument, so it adds a new element to the CT array. Write document.write ct, save the program, run on the browser and see the output. You will get the output having first element is 7. It displays the length of the array. The previous length is 6. Now the current length is 7 because it's add Konkan element to the original list, where the elements of original list, previous elements are Pune, Konkan, Mumbai, Nashik, Latur, and Nagpur, and new element is Konkan, which is add in last. So it displays 7th as a new length of the array, and it adds one element at the last position. So this is an example of adding an element to an array. Now we use reverse method to the array applied on the array CT. So write document.write CT reverse, save the program, execute on the browser and see the output. Here if you see, the list of reverse element of CT array is displayed. Last element Konkan is displayed in the first position, Nagpur last second displayed in the second position, and likewise it will show Konkan, Nagpur, Latur, Nashik, Mumbai, Kolhapur, Pune. The reverse order of the previous array elements, that is Pune, Kolhapur, Mumbai, Nashik, Latur, Nagpur, Konkan, in a reverse order. So this is an example of reversing an array element. So in this part we have seen the array object, the meaning of array object, the functionality of array object, methods of array object, and we have discussed the methods by using the example and output. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.